how to apply drop shadow to image in Wix Studio. So in order to apply drop shadow to image, what we can do is we can head over and click onto the particular image that we want to apply a shadow into. Once you have done that, next thing you need to do is to open the inspector right around here. From in there, it should be able to open this. So scroll down from there. In here, you can see shadow. Expand that and make sure to click or enable this apply shadow option. You can choose in here the angle, the distance, blur, as well as the opacity for that. So for this case, I'll head over and choose in here a color first of the shadow. I'll choose in here something like pink and I'll increase the opacity of that into 100%. And as you can see, this is what the shadow will look like. You can still actually expose or edit the blur, sizes, distances, as well as the angle for that particular shadow. So that's how you apply drop shadow to image in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.